Have you ever tried melting your art supplies? Today we are keeping things incredibly relaxing as we paint these beautiful loose spring florals. But instead of using my usual watercolor palette, I'm using the classic Caran water-soluble pastels. If you haven't seen them before, they are made in Switzerland and they are incredibly rich pigment and they last forever. So today we are going to paint along using these beautiful set of water-soluble pastels. This is from Caran. They are Swiss made and this set particularly has 15 shades and it is called a classic set. So I've had them for a long time and this is a Neocolor II, which means these are water soluble. And whenever you use the crayon on the paper and you use water on top of it, it acts as a watercolor. So don't mind the set, it's very old. And yeah, so basically these are the shades that we have in the classic set. It is a set of 15 colors. Now let's quickly start with the video. So first I'm going to start by just putting raw crayons on the paper, just trying to paint a beautiful flower bouquet. And then we are going to see the surprise factor by activating them with water. If you want, you can use these colors on their own and not use water at all. But if we have a positive point of activating them with water, then why not? I would always want to use them as watercolors and not just crayons. Okay, let's get started. So towards the center, I definitely would want to start with the rose. And for the rose, I'm just going to make some swirly lines in the center, very close to each other. And then I'm just going to make them smaller and leaving more space when I come to the outer side of the rose. I will also be using a little bit of red here to give a blended double shade in the rose. So I've there's written in the pack that you can always you can always go and buy the colors separately, but honestly I haven't found any place where I can see these Neocolors and I can buy them separately. So if you are in Canada and you know a place where I can find these colors, please let me know in the comments. And I would definitely, I really want to get some greens, because in this particular set I only have two options and I really want sap green in my set, and I've almost run out with my black, so definitely I want to get a new black as well. Putting some red cherries here. So I'm just randomly putting it just wherever I like. And at this stage, try to put as many colors as you want to use in your painting, because once we start with the water, just adding water on it, we want to cover everything, right? So at this stage, I usually use and put all of my colors that I want to use here. Okay, so time to reveal the magic now. Let's start by this flower. So and the most amazing thing that I love about these is they are so easy to activate. As you can see, as soon as I touched the crayon with water, it instantly started melting just like a normal watercolor. So beautiful. This is so relaxing. If you're, if you just want to play around with your colors, this is a perfect set for that. And you can see the blending, they blend so well with each other as well. It's a therapy. I have seen so many videos that they have released a few more sets into their collection with some very new and different shades, and I really want to get them, but I think these are a really expensive purchase. It's kind of an investment if you want to buy a set of these. So for now I will skip on getting that because it's way too expensive. And if you want to spend on some expensive supplies, do get one of those sets, whichever you like. I think it's totally worth of money, and you can, the amount of pigmentation that you get with these colors is much more than any other company. If you, even if you get it for a cheaper price, you won't get the same quality. You can look at how beautifully and pigment vibrant the colors are. Let's start with these cherries. As you can see, I'm not actually rubbing the brush so much. It's just very, very natural. And this set retails for about $40 for a set of 15 Canadian dollars. And you can just check on your location. They are available on Amazon. You can buy them on Amazon. If you can get it in your area, you can get individual colors. That's a brilliant thing. You can just go for all the spring colors that you really want, some of your favorite colors that you use. They are on a pricey side, but the pigment is incredibly rich, and because the colors are so concentrated, they last forever. And just like normal watercolors, you can reactivate them on the paper, as well as you can add more colors on the top. So they are easily accessible. And one more important thing is that they are excellent light. They have excellent light fastness, which means even after you paint it, it is not going to fade in sunlight or any other time. They will not fade. The colors will remain just as is, which is really, really great. And just like that, our messy scribbles have melted into these gorgeous glowing spring florals. Working with these pastels is incredibly satisfying, and I hope you found this process as relaxing as I did. If you enjoyed this technique and these supplies, be sure to hit that subscribe button, because this Saturday we are taking these pastels to next level, combining them with our traditional watercolors. and making a mixed media masterpiece. So happy painting, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.